World, and welcome back to Stuff We Do, where we do all the knife stuff you love. Knife reviews, knife tests, knife modifications, and outdoor stuff with knives. Before we start with this video, the Last Ranger, go check out his channel. Awesome guy. I love it. Okay, this knife, my brother-in-law, he gave me a box of knives and said, see what you can do with this. Some of them have broken tips, some of them had whatever, blah, blah. But these are knives from his childhood. Okay, then I found this thing. This, I suppose, is his special murder knife. Okay, he said he got this from a grandfather. I don't know which grandfather that was, but it says Korea and stainless steel on it. It's quite a big thing. It is 10 inches, a bit more, 10 and I don't know, something else. And then it is 26, almost 26.5 centimeters. So it's quite a big knife. And yes, I can see it's made in Korea. Now I'm struggling with this. I could not get it to work 100% properly at this stage. It's struggling to lock. You have to put on the lock to get it to lock, but then you unlock it and you press that thing and it shoots out, and then these things that fold flat while it's folded pop out. So you have like little guards over there. It's sharpened on one side and it's blunt on the other side. It's got plastic scales and a lock that only works when it's closed, and a button and this bail at the back. I suppose if you want to put a lanyard on there, or maybe harpoon somebody and pull it back. It's actually quite cool the way that thing folds in there. Okay, so if we shoot it out. If anybody has an idea what knife this is, there's no brand on it or anything like that, but I quite like playing with it today. I was stabbing pork chops and slashing steaks and murdering lunch. Also, no reason why any normal person would ever carry anything like this, except for the fact that it's fun and it does these things. Korean switchblade. Actually, quick shout out to JJ Jinx. I really like his channel also. He's got this thing called Weird Knives, and I'm pretty sure this thing would fit into his weird knife section perfectly. But I must say, I was cutting wors and slashing braai meat today. It was quite nice, so yeah, can't say anything bad. Korean switchblade. Don't know if Koreans actually use this for anything, but cool knife, nice to play with, and enjoy your Sunday evening. Stay safe, happy, and have a good one. Bye bye.